Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 58. Today we are starting Unit 11 Problems. Unit 11, Lesson 1, Listen and Speak. Find Nancy's solutions to the dragon's problems. Example is here. I'm sleepy, then go to bed. My feet are dirty, then wash your feet. I am thirsty, then drink some water. I am hungry, then eat some food. There's a hole in my bucket, then mend your bucket. I am tired, then take some rest. Now look at your B part. Make question and answer about exercise A using he or his. Example number 1. What's the matter with the dragon? His feet are dirty. He is thirsty. He's hungry. There's a hole in his bucket and he's tired. Now look at C part. Choose a correct opposite to complete the sentences. Short, dry, sharp, cold. Number 1. The knife is blunt. It is not sharp. These straws are long. They are not short. This tea is hot. It is not cold. These stones are wet. They are not dry. So opposite of blunt is sharp. Straws are long. Opposite of long is short. Hot is cold and wet is dry. Now look at page number 59. Unit 11, Lesson 2, Phonics and Words. A part, read the word with the IR, and CH, ch sounds. Match the picture to the words. BIRD, 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 girl, skirt, shirt, dirty. Now match with bird like this. Girl is here, skirt is here, shirt is here, and the dirty boy is here. So you have to match like this. Chair, cha child, cha children, cha checkup, cha check. So match chair with the picture of chair, child with the picture of child, children, they both are children, so match it with them. Checkup and chick, so match it with chick. Now look at D part. It is your homework. Now turn your page, open your page number 60. Now look at your page number 60. Today we are starting unit number 11, lesson 3, reading There's a Hole in My Bucket. Listen as you read along. Then answer the question. Who is silly, Nancy or the dragon? First of all, we read the story and then we know who is silly, Nancy or the dragon. Number 1. There is a hole in my bucket. Dear Nancy, there is a hole in my bucket. And the Nancy reply her, then mend it, dear dragon. With what shall I mend it, dear Nancy? With straw, dear dragon. But the straw is too long. So cut it, dear dragon. How to cut it? With what shall I cut it, dear Nancy? With a knife, dear dragon. With the help of knife, you cut the long straw. But knife is too blunt, dear Nancy. Then sharpen it, dear dragon. With what shall I sharpen it, dear Nancy? With a stone, dear dragon. But the stone is too dry, dear Nancy. Then wet it, dear dragon. With what shall I wet it, dear Nancy? With water, dear dragon. With what shall I carry it, dear Nancy? With a bucket, dear dragon. But there's a hole in my bucket. Dear Nancy, there's a hole in my bucket, dear Nancy. A hole. So, in this story, there's a hole in a dragon bucket. And dragon asked to Nancy how to mend it. And the Nancy gives advices to dear dragon. All of you know, if the straw is too long, how to cut it with the help of knife. And if the knife is blunt, so how to sharpen it? With the stone. And if the stone is dry, so how we wet it? With the help of water. And so we know the answer of this question. Who is silly, Nancy or the dragon? Of course, dragon is silly. Now look at B part. Label the picture using the word from the box. A bucket. Where's a bucket? Here. Now match it. A dragon. Where's a dragon? Here. Now match it. A hole. Here's a hole in a bucket. Now match it here. Water. Where's water? Here. Now match it. A straw. Where's a straw? Here. Now match it. A knife. Here's a knife. Match it. A stone. Here's a stone. Now match it. C. Match the beginning of each sentences to its right ending. The bucket has a hole in it. The bucket has a hole in it. The knife is too blunt. The straw is too long. The stone is too dry. The water comes from the tap. Now open your page number 62, unit number 11, lesson 4 sentences. Draw lines to match the labels to the object in the picture. A chair. Where is the chair? Here. Now match it. Where is the table? Here. Now match it. Here's a table. A cupboard here. A clock here. A bookshelf is here. So match it like this. A phone is here. Now match it like this. A dish is here. Now match it like this. A spoon is here. Now match it like this. A knife is here. So you match it like this. A TV is here. So match it like this. Write what you can see in the living room. I can see a snake in the living room, a cow, a goat, a hen, and other so many things. Now look at your C part. Write what you think is wrong with the living room. There's a bird behind the clock. Now look at here. There's a bird behind the clock. There's a snake. There's a snake under the table. There's a hen in the bookshelf. There is a cow on the chair. There's a crocodile behind the TV. Answer the questions. Example, who is dancing? The hen is dancing. Look at here. Who is sleeping? Crocodile is sleeping in this picture. Who is reading? The bird is reading. Who is eating flour? The goat is eating flour. Who is drinking milk? The snake is drinking milk. And the last one is, who is talking on the phone? Who is talking on the phone? The cow is talking on the phone. Now look at page number 63 and 64 is your homework. Now look at your page number 65. Look at C part. Complete the crossword. Look at number 1. Clause down and clause across. Number 1, what is this? This is a clause down. First of all, we do clause down, then we do clause across here. Number 1 is, what is this? This is a dress. So you write it like this, D-R-E-S-S, dress. Number 2 is socks. So you write it S-O-C-K-S, socks. Number 3 is skirt. So you write number 3. First of all, search it. Number 3 is here. Now you have to write it like this, S-K-I-R-T, skirt, because it's closed down. So you write S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Number 6 is trouser. And where's the trouser? Here, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trouser. And number 8 is gloves. So you have to write it here. Number 8 is here. GLOVES, gloves. Where is number 9 is button, and where is number 9 here? BUTTON, button. And number 10 is suit. So you have to write here SUIT, suit. And number 12 is coat. So you have to write it here like this, COAT, coat. Close across. Here we have shoes, necklace, shorts, hat, and boots, vest, and shirt. Now now it's homework. You done it here. Now open your page number 66. Look at B part. Complete the words with the letter in the box. Number 1 is a shirt, a whistle, a fly, a horse, a socks. So here write the words in exercise B in 2 columns. Living, fly, a horse, cat, dog is a living thing, and a shirt, socks, whistle is non-living thing. Now look at your page number 67. It is your homework. Do your work very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.